Yesterday we arrived in Conceicao. It's a very nice beach north of Martinique that most sailors they don't go. And if you notice, it's been very roily, and it's one of the reasons the sailors don't go. But the beach is amazing, as you can see the coastline.
Oh shit! I'm the bad lucky one here. You know, I was in Switzerland and this guy will call me every day. Oh, Conceicao,
Conceicao.
Oh, it's so nice and there's no waves and the beach is like magnificent, totally like tourist kind, but with no one. That's a big lie. Look, it's rolly. You see? Had to be the day I come here, and I'm all here because of the waterfall. By the way, you're gonna see it, you're gonna love it.
We did the mistake to come on the beach on high tide, so the swell is really bad, and because of my mistake I capsized the kayak. So Conceicao is all wet with salt water and tries to wash herself off on the river, and she is very mad at me.
So this retarded here, as you can see, not very sharp when he's very... Still have soul. When he's very enthusiastic, you know, you see these waves. Show them waves, please. Okay, they're not so big now. Alright? See! Look, look, look!
I can't see.
That? Yeah. So before that even happened, this one tried to jump in a kayak, hard kayak, that's supposed for one person, but both of us stick here somehow, okay? They decided to jump before waiting for me to balance alone, and I got all wet. Look at this, I'm not even ready for a shower yet, I don't want to wait.
Anyway, we're gonna go to the waterfall now, and she's gonna have her chance to get a shower there.
So guys, our hike starts right now. We're gonna show you, he's been here twice already, it's gonna be my first time, so he knows better what to show you. Bamboo, ruins and waterfall. Let's go.
This used to be a cacao plantation, and that was abandoned when the volcano in Saint Pierre erupted and the capital was gone and moved to Fort-de-France. And it looks very nice and it's very well preserved.
So, as they just informed me, this is the machinery that used to work with steam.
I am planning my papaya. This ant thing of fire seeds are not gonna go far enough.
So since we saw a lot of, not a lot, but some fruit, tree fruit, we decided to bring our papaya seeds that we ate yesterday and to plant it too. And actually there is one papaya tree already. Oh, it's just there. Can you see it? Oh.
It's a useful point.
Hope you saw it. We are planting our seeds also to see if it gives some fruits and everybody can have them, as everybody eats from here, coconuts, papaya. The Just now realized that there is a cacao.
Oh, there are a lot of
Cacao.
cacao trees. This used to be a cacao plantation.
If I could get that one, it's the only
You're
one
gonna
and
get
it's
on the way to
yellow.
the waterfall.
We are on the way to the waterfall.
Yes, but you have one better way to the waterfall. That's not the path.
Okay.
Thing than taking a hike and being able to find fruits or coconuts or cacao trees, first of all for free, and second of all breadfruit, one of the best things ever.
Happiness! Ever decide to go hiking and someone tell you, oh no, it's an easy path, you can go with your flip-flops, nothing gonna happen. Just say no, look for that damn flip-flop, that damn sneakers, whenever they are, just take it with you.
So looking forward to take a rest, eat something before we head back. Come on baby!
Yeah, Mr. to have a nice sandal to go with.
Come on, she doesn't even look at you.